around February 2024, I had a lumbar pain which was radiating through to my legs. I was discussing with my colleagues about this pain. My colleagues recommended me to QI Spine. They had been here and they knew what the treatment was. I was given a cell repair technology which they have a German patent for. And around in the first 3 days itself, if my pain level was 10 when I entered QI Spine, it went down to almost 3 or 2. Later on, after the pain went down, the exercises started and it helped me in my daily movements a lot. I was in, as I mentioned, quite a lot of pain. I am now almost 90% better and on the way to recovery, 100% recovery. And I went to around 2 to 3 orthopedic surgeons which had told me that I'll need surgery for my case, but I was not going to go for surgery. QI Spine also told me that you don't need surgery, we'll make you better with just exercises and no medication also. Seeing the patient experience here and the facility here, my grandmother who was around 84 years of age, she is also having some back pain. I brought her also to QI Spine and now she is also recovering slowly and steadily even at her age without medication and just exercises.
Call us at 080 352 16995 for first free consultation.